Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a board on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First, once you're here, you will find this icon here, click on it, and here you'll find board, just click on it like this, and here add a board name, and here you can choose if you want to keep this board secret, and here you can add collaborators, and click next, and that's it, it will be created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.